Nobody warned you that muscle loss after 60 isn't just about protein. In fact, some of the strongest people in their 70s and 80s are eating specific vegetables that activate muscle repair, improve blood flow, and help the body use protein more effectively. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful vegetables ranked from effective to extraordinary. And the vegetable at number 1 shocked researchers because it may help reactivate a muscle repair system that naturally declines with age. Stay until the end, because most people throw it away without realizing its value. Hello, I'm Dr. William Lee. Today, we're going to explore some of the most powerful vegetables that can support muscle strength, healthy aging, and overall vitality. If you're over 60 or you've noticed a gradual loss of muscle and energy with age, this information could make a real difference. Stay with me until the end, because these nutrient-rich vegetables may help you maintain a stronger body, better mobility, and a healthier, more active life when included regularly in your daily diet. Here's some top 5 muscle-supporting vegetables. Number 1, beet greens. Beet greens are the nutrient-rich leaves of the beetroot plant and are often overlooked despite their impressive nutritional profile. While no single food can realistically build muscles 3 times faster, beet greens can play a valuable role in supporting muscle development, recovery, and overall athletic performance when combined with proper resistance training, adequate protein intake, and sufficient rest. One of the primary benefits of beet greens for muscle health is their high nitrate content. Dietary nitrates are converted in the body into nitric oxide, a compound that helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to working muscles. Enhanced circulation may support exercise performance by allowing muscles to receive more oxygen and nutrients during training, potentially improving endurance and workout quality. Beet greens are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Magnesium contributes to muscle contraction, relaxation, energy production, and protein synthesis. Adequate magnesium intake helps reduce muscle cramps, supports recovery, and promotes optimal muscle function, making it particularly important for physically active individuals. Another key advantage is their potassium content. Potassium is an essential electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signaling, and muscle contractions. Maintaining healthy potassium levels can support strength performance and reduce the risk of muscle fatigue during intense exercise sessions. In addition, beet greens provide significant amounts of vitamin C, which contributes to collagen formation and supports the health of connective tissues such as tendons and ligaments. Strong connective tissues are crucial for effective strength training and injury prevention. Vitamin C also functions as an antioxidant, helping combat exercise-induced oxidative stress and supporting recovery. Beet greens contain plant-based antioxidants, including beta-carotene and various polyphenols, which may help reduce inflammation associated with strenuous physical activity. Lower levels of inflammation can contribute to better recovery and allow athletes to maintain consistent training schedules. Furthermore, beet greens provide modest amounts of protein along with important micronutrients such as calcium, iron, and vitamin K. These nutrients support bone strength, oxygen transport, and overall physical performance, creating a favorable environment for muscle growth. In conclusion, beet greens are a highly nutritious leafy vegetable that can support muscle strength, exercise performance, and recovery through their nitrates, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, and vitamins. Although they cannot build muscle 3 times faster on their own, incorporating beet greens into a balanced diet can help optimize the physiological conditions needed for effective muscle growth and long-term athletic performance. Number 2, broccoli. Broccoli is widely recognized as one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables and can play a valuable role in supporting muscle development, recovery, and overall physical performance. While broccoli alone cannot make muscles grow 3 times faster, it provides several nutrients and bioactive compounds that help create an environment favorable for muscle maintenance and growth when combined with proper resistance training, sufficient protein intake, and adequate recovery. One of broccoli's primary benefits for muscle support is its rich vitamin C content. Vitamin C functions as a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress generated during intense exercise. By reducing cellular damage and supporting tissue repair, vitamin C contributes to faster recovery between workouts, allowing individuals to maintain consistent training performance. Broccoli also contains vitamin K, which supports bone health and proper calcium utilization. Strong bones provide the structural foundation needed to perform resistance exercises effectively and safely. Broccoli is a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. Efficient digestion enables the body to utilize proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals more effectively, supporting the nutritional demands of muscle growth. Additionally, broccoli contains essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium, Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance, while magnesium participates in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including those involved in energy production and protein synthesis. Another important advantage of broccoli is its content of phytonutrients, particularly sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Managing inflammation is important for athletes and active individuals because excessive inflammation may impair recovery and performance. By helping regulate inflammatory responses, broccoli may indirectly support the body's ability to recover from strenuous exercise. Broccoli also provides a modest amount of plant-based protein compared to many other vegetables. Although it should not be considered a primary protein source for muscle building, it can contribute to overall daily protein intake when included as part of a balanced diet rich in lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, or other protein-rich foods. For optimal muscle development, broccoli is best consumed alongside high-quality protein sources. For example, pairing broccoli with chicken breast, salmon, tofu, or eggs creates a nutrient-rich meal that supplies both the amino acids needed for muscle repair and the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support recovery. In summary, broccoli is an excellent nutritional ally for individuals seeking to build and maintain strong muscles. Its combination of vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds supports recovery, exercise performance, and overall health. While it does not accelerate muscle growth by itself, regular consumption as part of a well-structured training and nutrition program can contribute significantly to long-term muscular strength and development. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy green vegetables and can be a valuable addition to a muscle-building diet. While no single food can help a person build muscle 3 times faster on its own, spinach provides several nutrients that support muscle growth, recovery, strength, and overall athletic performance when combined with proper training and adequate protein intake. Spinach is rich in nitrates, natural compounds that may improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to working muscles. Better circulation can enhance exercise performance, allowing individuals to train more effectively and recover more efficiently. Improved nutrient delivery to muscle tissues may also support the body's adaptation to resistance training. Another important benefit of spinach is its high magnesium content. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle contraction, energy production, protein synthesis, and nerve function. Athletes and physically active individuals require sufficient magnesium to maintain optimal muscle performance and reduce the risk of cramps and fatigue. By helping the body efficiently convert food into energy, magnesium supports longer and more productive workouts. Spinach also contains iron, a mineral essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Adequate iron levels help maintain endurance, energy, and exercise capacity. Low iron levels can contribute to fatigue and reduced physical performance, making it more difficult to train at the intensity needed for muscle development. In addition, spinach provides antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and various phytonutrients. Intense exercise can increase oxidative stress in the body, and these antioxidants help protect cells from damage while supporting recovery. Faster recovery enables individuals to maintain consistent training schedules, which is a key factor in building muscle over time. The vegetable is also a source of vitamin K, potassium, folate, and small amounts of plant-based protein. Potassium supports muscle function and hydration balance, while vitamin K contributes to bone health, helping provide a strong foundation for resistance training. Although spinach is not a major protein source compared with foods such as eggs, fish, dairy products, or lean meats, it complements a high-protein diet by supplying essential micronutrients that support muscle-building processes. For best results, spinach can be incorporated into smoothies, salads, omelets, soups, or cooked side dishes alongside high-quality protein sources. Regular consumption, combined with progressive strength training, sufficient protein intake, adequate sleep, and proper recovery, can contribute significantly to muscle health and performance. In summary, spinach supports muscle development through its rich supply of nitrates, magnesium, iron, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. While it does not directly build muscle at an accelerated rate by itself, it helps create the physiological conditions necessary for stronger muscles, improved performance, and effective recovery. Number 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source that plays an important role in supporting muscle growth, recovery, and overall athletic performance. While it does not directly build muscle on its own, it provides essential nutrients and energy that help the body maximize the effectiveness of resistance training and protein intake. For individuals aiming to develop stronger muscles, sweet potatoes can be a valuable part of a balanced nutrition plan. One of the primary benefits of sweet potatoes is their rich carbohydrate content. During exercise, especially strength training and high-intensity workouts, the body relies heavily on glycogen, which is stored carbohydrate in the muscles. Consuming sweet potatoes helps replenish glycogen stores, providing the energy needed for intense training sessions and supporting faster recovery afterward. Adequate energy availability allows athletes and fitness enthusiasts to train harder and more consistently, which is a key factor in muscle development. Sweet potatoes are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and promotes steady energy release. Unlike highly processed carbohydrates that may cause rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes provide sustained energy, helping maintain performance throughout workouts and daily activities. Another significant advantage is their high content of vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes are particularly rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Potassium is especially important for muscle function, helping regulate muscle contractions, fluid balance, and nerve signaling. Adequate potassium intake may help reduce muscle cramps and support optimal physical performance. Vitamin C contributes to collagen synthesis and tissue repair, which are important during muscle recovery following exercise. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress generated during intense physical activity. Reducing oxidative stress may support recovery and help maintain muscle health over time. Faster recovery enables individuals to return to training sooner and maintain a consistent exercise routine. It is important to understand that no single food can build muscles 3 times faster. Muscle growth depends on a combination of progressive resistance training, sufficient protein intake, adequate calorie consumption, quality sleep, and proper recovery. However, sweet potatoes can significantly contribute to these goals by supplying sustained energy, supporting recovery, and providing essential nutrients that promote overall physical performance. When combined with high-quality protein sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, lean beef, dairy products, or legumes, sweet potatoes create an effective meal for muscle-building support. Their nutritional profile makes them a preferred carbohydrate choice among athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness professionals seeking to optimize strength, endurance, and recovery while maintaining overall health. Number 5. Beetroot. Beetroot is a nutrient-rich root vegetable that has gained significant attention in sports nutrition due to its potential to enhance exercise performance, support muscle function, and improve recovery. While no food can realistically build muscles 3 times faster on its own, beetroot can be a valuable addition to a well-designed training and nutrition program aimed at maximizing muscle development and athletic performance. One of beetroot's most important properties is its high concentration of dietary nitrates. After consumption, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide within the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to working muscles. Enhanced circulation can support exercise endurance, reduce the energy cost of physical activity, and help muscles receive nutrients more efficiently during and after training. Beetroot may also improve training quality. Research suggests that increased nitric oxide availability can enhance muscle efficiency and power output during high-intensity exercise. This may allow individuals to perform more repetitions, sustain effort longer, or recover more effectively between sets. Over time, better workout performance can contribute to greater training adaptations and muscle strength gains. In addition to nitrates, beetroot contains antioxidants such as betalains, vitamin C, and various polyphenols. These compounds help combat oxidative stress generated during intense exercise. By reducing exercise-induced cellular damage, beetroot may assist recovery and support consistent training frequency, which is essential for long-term muscle growth. Beetroot also provides important minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. Potassium and magnesium contribute to normal muscle contraction and nerve function, while iron supports oxygen transport throughout the body. Adequate levels of these nutrients help maintain exercise performance and overall muscular health. Many athletes consume beetroot juice approximately 2 to 3 hours before training, because nitrate levels typically peak during this period. Combining beetroot with sufficient protein intake, resistance training, quality sleep, and proper hydration may enhance the overall environment for muscle development. However, beetroot should be viewed as a performance-supporting food rather than a substitute for proven muscle-building fundamentals. In conclusion, beetroot can support stronger muscles by improving blood flow, enhancing exercise efficiency, promoting recovery, and supplying valuable antioxidants and minerals. Although it does not directly cause muscles to grow several times faster, regular beetroot consumption may help individuals train more effectively and recover better, thereby contributing to improved strength, endurance, and long-term muscle development. As we conclude today's discussion, I want to leave you with one important message. Muscle loss is not simply a consequence of getting older, it is a challenge that can be influenced by the choices you make every day. While aging naturally affects strength, mobility, and recovery, research continues to show that proper nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and consistent healthy habits can make a remarkable difference in preserving muscle health and maintaining independence. The vegetables we've discussed today are more than just items on a grocery list. They provide valuable nutrients and compounds that support circulation, recovery, cellular health, and overall physical function. When combined with adequate protein intake and regular resistance exercise, they can become part of a powerful strategy for maintaining strength and vitality as the years go by. Remember, meaningful change does not happen overnight. Small, consistent improvements often produce the greatest long-term results. Every healthy meal, every walk, and every strength-building activity is an investment in your future health and quality of life. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you found this information valuable, consider sharing it with someone who may benefit from it. Take care of yourself, stay active, stay strong, and never stop investing in your health. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I wish you strength, health, and happiness in the days ahead. Goodbye, and take care.